under the curse. Got the nitrogen going, back blowing the cap tubes. And man, getting a bunch of shit out of there. Dirty looking, nasty oil stuff. I'm gonna let that blow. The nitrogen tank's almost empty. I'm gonna cut this dryer out. It's looking funky in there. See that? I'm gonna cut that open. And I'm gonna install this new dryer. So I had to get some 3/8 pipe. Well, I cut the dryer open. It's the little balls have like turned to dust balls. Pretty deteriorated. Pretty well pluggered. That's what it looked like. The frost pattern and everything, like a plugged up dryer. I was trying to show you the sunlight through there, but it was plugged. All right. Let me get a good vacuum on this thing and see if we can bring it back to life. All right, I pulled my vacuum. I weighed in my 19 ounces. We'll let it rip here. See how it does. I'm not gauged up on the high side, just the low side, and we'll let this thing run and see how she does. I got a big old dryer in there. I put a C083 dryer. We'll see how this thing, if it gets happy or not. All right, well, looks like this one's gonna survive. Coming down the mountain here. Man, I've just had some weird calls lately. Just been getting all the weird ones. I'm gonna go look at this little under-counter Manitowoc a customer got, and it's been shutting itself off by itself. And I can't figure out why, it's so weird. But I'm gonna go over there and take a look. I'll bring you guys along if I can get the camera out. It's right behind the bar where the servers are, so it's a little tough. We'll see how we make out. All right, failed evaporator on the Manitowoc. I pulled the grids out and we'll make some ice fingers. See if this will last them a little longer. Did it quit working, do you know?
I believe it was a couple of days ago.
A couple days ago?
Like, almost about a week ago.
Did all the ice cream melt?
No. We noticed that it started like melting a little, so we like switched out all our ice cream to our refrigerator and our freezer in the back.
Okay.
And yeah. We just noticed it that like Joey,
some sections.
Hi there, welcome.
A little bit dirty, not like super bad. So I think I'll clean the condenser first, and then we'll try and fire this thing off. Little R290 freezer, static evaporator. Wow, freezer controller. I just noticed something on that freezer. It looks like they ice picked. I'll take you guys back in there and show you. I want to grab my gas leak detector. It looks like they ice picked the walls on that freezer. I'm going to see if I can get a hit with the leak detector. And you guys have seen my funny commercials on the YouTube channel, but I actually, if I make a video for a product on my channel, I'm going to use that product. You guys might think it was bullshit or whatever, but no. It's my leak detector. It's a cheap little leak detector, and the thing works. Oh, I gotta put the batteries in. Always take the batteries out of it too. It said on the manual, so I gotta put the batteries in it. All right, you can see the frost pattern where the tubes are. You can see the ice pick heads. I think that frost pattern's low on charge. Classic low on charge. This thing got ice picked to death. Turkeys right here, they don't even give a shit. They're like, Wile E. Coyote, who cares?